Suspension overview. Suspension in automobiles refers to the system of components that work together to provide a smooth and controlled ride, as well as to ensure that the tires maintain good contact with the road surface. This is crucial for comfort, safety, and overall vehicle performance. The suspension system accomplishes these goals by managing the impact of road irregularities, controlling body movement, and optimizing traction. Key components and concepts within an automobile suspension system include springs. Springs are used to absorb and dissipate energy from road impacts. They help in maintaining a consistent ride height and provide cushioning against bumps and dips in the road. Common types of springs include coil springs and leaf springs. Dampers, shock absorbers. Dampers work in conjunction with springs to control the oscillations caused by road irregularities. They absorb and dissipate the energy created by the spring's compression and extension, preventing the vehicle from bouncing excessively. Struts. A strut is a structural component that combines a spring and a damper into a single unit. It provides support for the vehicle's weight and helps maintain alignment. Struts are often used in the front suspension of many modern vehicles. Control arms. Control arms, also known as arms or wishbones, connect the suspension system to the vehicle's frame or body. They allow for controlled movement of the wheels and suspension components while maintaining proper alignment. Sway bars, stabilizer bars. Sway bars are connected to the suspension on both sides of a vehicle and help control body roll during cornering. They are particularly important for maintaining stability during sharp turns. Bushings. Bushings are used to reduce friction and vibration between moving suspension components. They are often made of rubber or other materials that can absorb and isolate vibrations. Tires and wheels. While not directly a part of the suspension system, tires play a crucial role in how the suspension functions. They are the point of contact with the road and greatly influence ride quality, handling, and traction. Suspension systems can be classified into various types based on their design and purpose. Independent suspension. Each wheel is connected to the vehicle's frame separately, allowing for more precise control over wheel movement and a smoother ride. Common types of independent suspension include McPherson strut, double wishbone, and multi-link systems. Solid axle suspension. Both wheels on an axle are connected to a single rigid beam or axle, which can provide durability and simplicity but may sacrifice some ride comfort and handling. Active suspension. In active suspension systems, electronic sensors and actuators continuously adjust the suspension components to adapt to changing road conditions and driving dynamics. This can lead to enhanced comfort and performance. Passive suspension. Passive suspension systems rely on mechanical components like springs and dampers to respond to road conditions without active electronic intervention. Overall, the suspension system is a critical aspect of an automobile's design, affecting ride comfort, handling, safety, and overall driving experience. It balances the need for absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability and control, resulting in a well-rounded driving performance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.